Hi, I'm Tony. I run a web hosting company, and I'd like to give you a brief overview of cPanel and Web Host Manager and show you how it simplifies the things I do in my web hosting business. cPanel and Web Host Manager, or commonly just cPanel, is software that makes setting up a server for web hosting incredibly easy. When I install cPanel, all the tools, software, services I need for web hosting are installed and ready for use. I just answer a few questions to customize my server, and I'm ready to begin hosting websites. cPanel has interface for both website owners and server owners. First, let's take a look at the cPanel interface for website owners.
Hey, my name is Shanna. I was looking for a company that could host my website, so I contacted Tony. As my web host provider, he gave me access to the cPanel interface so I could set up my web space. I can do a lot with cPanel. I like using the file manager to upload files to my site. I can also create FTP accounts or password protect my web directories, all within cPanel. When I first got my account, I wanted to add a blog, and cPanel made that painless. I logged into cPanel, went to the site software section, and then selected the blog I wanted to use. I filled out a short form, and my blog was ready to go. If I wanted to install a shopping cart or other software, cPanel has that too. As with most business owners, email is a serious part of my business. It's important for me to be able to manage email accounts for my staff, which is simple in cPanel. Look at how easy it is to add an email account. From the cPanel homepage, I go to Email Accounts. Here I give the name of my email account and enter the password. I can change the amount of space the account can use, but the default setting is fine. Plus, I can always change it later. I click Create, and the email account is ready. I can access the account using a mail client like Microsoft Outlook or through one of the provided webmail interfaces. cPanel will even set up Outlook for me automatically. cPanel includes virus protection and spam filtering, and if I want to forward my email to another account or filter it, I can do that with a few simple clicks. One last thing. While cPanel is really intuitive for beginners, it's also powerful enough to meet the needs of my web development team. They can set up databases, schedule tasks, launch Ruby on Rails applications, and install software modules, all from cPanel, which is pretty cool.
Thanks, Shanna.
Sure.
The cPanel interface gives website owners like Shanna access to a wide range of tools, which makes maintaining their web presence simple. Clients love the ability to manage their accounts on their own, anytime, from anywhere. And since all accounts are confined to their own space, security's in the design. cPanel also has a tool for web hosts like me to manage our servers. It's called Web Host Manager. Web Host Manager is designed for system administrators and gives us full administrative control over the server. In Web Host Manager, I can do things like quickly apply security features to my entire server using automated tools, or configure the server to support new web technologies like Tomcat for Java, Zend Optimizer for PHP, Mono for ASP, with just a few clicks. Web Host Manager lets me easily scale my web hosting business. I can add as many hosting accounts as I want, no limits. And account creation is fast too. Our customers can be up and ready to go in seconds. As a matter of fact, let me show you how I can create an account for our latest client. After logging into Web Host Manager, I go to Account Functions and then click Create a New Account. I type in a domain and a username is automatically generated, so I just need to put in a password and select their hosting plan. Web Host Manager configures the server to accommodate the new account, and my client can start managing his web space using cPanel. Simple and fast. Web Host Manager's package system allows me to set up the hosting plans I sell so I can create accounts with different features and space limits. I can easily accommodate growing clients by upgrading or customizing their hosting plan. Another thing I do in Web Host Manager is set up my reseller accounts. Setting up resellers is a great way to make the most of unused server resources. A reseller account is similar to regular cPanel accounts like the one Shanna has, but a reseller can also sell and create additional cPanel accounts on the server. As the administrator, I can configure the level of access the reseller has. I also like how I can use Web Host Manager to apply my own company brand to the cPanel and Web Host Manager interfaces. This creates a seamless representation of my company because clients see the same logos, graphics, and color schemes in cPanel as they do on my company's website. Web Host Manager is a powerful tool with advanced administrative features. With Web Host Manager, I don't have to use the command line to get things done. I can even make changes to my server configuration files right from Web Host Manager. It also monitors my server and notifies me by email, instant message, or SMS if something goes wrong. Finally, I should mention Web Host Manager's extensive application programming interface, or API. With the API, I can integrate cPanel and Web Host Manager functionality into my existing website and software. Also, the API allows software vendors to make third-party applications such as billing automation tools that tie right into Web Host Manager and cPanel. I can add these tools to my server to gain additional functionality. Thanks for letting me introduce you to cPanel and Web Host Manager. Its tools make running my web hosting business a lot easier, and I'm sure it can do the same for you. If you'd like a free trial or would like to learn more, you can contact cPanel at sales@cpanel.net or visit them on the web at www.cpanel.net.